welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So I am here to explain you the third video of this series. So as you know, we did two videos about verbs where we compared the present form with past form. So while reading you some sentences, I explain how to use present, how to use past, some rules, some vocabulary. Okay, so if you are ready, let's go. So in the first video, we did bun, kirin, chun, haten, khwarin. In the second video, ما و خوارن پیوین زانین دیتن و بهستن چکرن و دوی ویدیوی ده امی بحثا خواستن کارین گرتن دان و مانه بکن و از جوار ببیجم اف ویدیو ترانزیتیفن intransitifin دما نها چاوایه دما بوری چاواته بکارانی باشه. So verba پیشی the first verb verba پیشی خواستنه خواستن لیکرکه verba که ترانزیتیفه افته چه معنیه افته معنیه کو دما بوری ده دوهن من تا وی و ما و وان بکاربین. لي جبو دمانها فرق ناكي جبو دمانها verb transitive net transitive نغمة. You don't need to even check it. Okay, so خواستن واتيا وي معناها وي to want رايكا دمانها the present stem is خواز و دمابوري خواست خواز خواست. present tense از خوارنك خوش تخوازم از خوارنك خوش تخوازم دما بوري من خوارنك خوش خوست لبر خوست سينجولر ام نابيجن خوستن خوستي انجي تشتكدن جبركو خوارنك خوش سينجولر يك جمارة. اوكي تو دخوازي چبكي تو دخوازي چبكي. So جبير نكن if you have two verbs هرتم modals like want, loving, enjoying, needing are always first, and then the second verb, and the second verb with ba. تتخوازي چبكي دمابوري تخوست چبكي. What did you want to do? تخوست چبكي من خوست حرم دروه من خوست مالباتا خو ببینم من خوست درسا خو چکم من خوست ویدیو یا خو آماده بکم. Okay, say او هوال ننو دخوازه. He or she wants some new friends. So how do I know it's some new friends? Because it is indefinite إضافة راسته. So هوالنا أو indefinite إضافة plural. So some new friends. If it was هوالنو new friends هوالنا نو some new friends دمابوري وي انجيوي هوالنا نو خواستن خواستن پرجماره چما هون ببیجین چما جبركو object عمه هوالنا نو جي پرجماره راسته هوالنا نو خواستن هوالنا نو دیتن هوالنا نو چکرن هوالنا نو وخوندن هوالنا نو نزانم فهم کرن ام هر تشتی دخوازن ام هر تشتی دخوازن لبره we want everything. So هر تشت is everything. لي تشت masculine. So if you need it in oblique form دوی هون ببیجن تشتی هر تشتی از هر تشتی دخوازم تو هر تشتی دخوازی او هر تشتی دخوازی ام هر تشتی دخوازن لی دما بوری جبرکو دما بوری ده object همه ساده یه simple دوی تو ببیجی ما هر تشت خواست ما هر تشت خواست او لیور خواست جی یک جماره جبركو د كرمانجي ده هر تشت سينجولر like وكا انجليزي تدبيجي everything goes well everything is good تنابيجي everything are so اوجي يك جمارة. اوكي هون في خانية دخوازن do you want this house هون في خانية دخواز so في خانية masculine oblique دما بوري وأفخاني خواست. Did you want this house? وأفخاني خواست. أفخاني نخوش كان. أو جلن أرزان وبي كاليته ناخوازن. أو جلن أرزان وبي كاليته ناخوازن. liver object ما جلن أرزان وبي كاليته. از جوار دبیجم کی جانجل جلن ارزان و به کالیته نخوازن دما بوریجی object جلن ارزان و به کالیته شبرکو اضافه اضافه دما بوری دجی دما نها دجی هر تم هیا تنه اوبلیک انجی ساده دگوهره اوکی one جلن ارزان و به کالیته نخواستن از جی نخواز تو دخوازی تو جلن ارزان و به کالیته دخوازی نه تو جمن چه دخوازی تو جمن چه دخوازی what do you want from me تو جان من دخوازی do you want my soul تو جان من دخوازی تا چما او خواست why did you want it تا چما او خواست او نخوشه او نباشه او ارزان او به کالیته تا چما او خواست جمن ربيجة تا چما او خواست so جبير نكن دما كو object singular verb جي singular دما بوريدا اوكي لي دما نها you don't even check object verb is conjugated for subject از تخوازم تتخوازي او تخوازي وفهمتر باشا you may see some people write خواستن with okay so don't be surprised if you see some people writing خواستن افجي راسته but I saw خواستن more so I use خواستن but خواستن with it's also possible so in this case with past you will say خواست okay with خواستن عينينا they are the same okay verb next verb Karin to be able to can right it's a modal verb so in the present kar in the past kari this verb is transitive دفعهن ببيجن منتاوي و كاري از دكارم بقلك زمانا بخوينم وببيفم از دكارم بقلك زمانا بخوينم وببيفم دما بوري دما كو زاروك بوم when I was a kid دما كو زاروك بوم من كاري I was able to من كاري بقلك زمانا بخوينم وببيفم من كاري بقلك زمانا بخوينم وببيفم so تشتكى green you see ببيفم and بخوينم they are the same in the present right so we used present subjunctive بخوينم ببينم etc so when you have these your object is in present tense okay so you don't say zaman no zamanan because of بخوينم ببيفم تذكري photo I wrote it's a typo تذكري photoshop بكاربيني can you use photoshop so here we have a nice verb بكارانين چیه to use present as بكارتينم negative بكارناينم تو تو بكارتيني تو بكارنايني او بكارتيني او بكارنايني ام هون او بكارتينن ام هون او بكارنايني okay so بكارتيني بكارنايني oops I don't need to oops liver باشتري okay so as Instagram بكارتينم as TikTok بكارتينم as computer بكارتينم as Vmouse بكارتينم okay وده مع بوري it's very easy من بكاراني من بكاراني بس كنم بتشكي مزن بكم من بكاراني تا بكاراني تا بكاراني so don't forget the form of ani can be different depending on the object so if you used many things من قالك تشت بكار anîn okay You used me. تا از بکار آنیم. تا بکار آنی. We were. So it will be the same. Okay, because I thought about single object. Singular object. We were من تا ما وان بکار آنی. Okay. So دما بوری. دما طول زاننگه بویی. تکاری فوتوشوپ بکار بینی. When you were in the university, could you use or were you able to use Photoshop? أو دكاري هر تشتي بك. He or she can do anything. Anything. Okay, wait. Give me a second. Anyway. Oh, my sister is calling again. She's insisting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so تشتي بك أو دكاري هر تشتي بك. He or she can do anything. We were kari هر تشتي بك. So as I said, because of بك I use هر تشتي. But if it was just I did everything من هر تشتكر. But because of بك is present subjunctive form, you use هر تشتي oblique. Okay. Am دكارن ببياتي هرن park. We can go to the park on foot. مكاري ببياتي هرن park. We could go. هون دكارن لباجارك بچوك بجين. Can you live in a small city? وكاري لباجارك بچوك بجين. أنا مكاري. Yeah, we did. We were able to. أو دكارن govende بگرن. So govend girtin is the verb. Govend girtin, but in present as govende digrim or as govende nagar. So the verb is govend girtin, but in present it becomes govende because oblique. Okay, it's your object. O dema bori one kari govende bigren. So you see here again govende bigren because it's with kari. Kari bigren. To the kari avjaniye biki, can you swim? Takari avjaniye biki, could you swim? Were you able to swim in the past? مثلا last year. To چوی بطلانه, you went to on vacation. تکاری لور افجانیه بکی. نا من نکاری شبارکو بحر گلکی پیس بو گلک ورهبون گلکی کور بو من نکاری. I couldn't. So don't forget with kari the negative form is n. Okay, من نکاری and also in present as نکارم من نکاری. تو نکاری تن نکاری او نکاره we were نکاری. Okay. Oh, avchiye girtin. Oh la la, this is a very nice verb because it has many meanings. So girtin, it's to take, to hold, to catch, to close. So in this case, for all these meanings you need to check the context, right? So the present stem is gir, the past stem is girt, and this is a transitive verb, of course, because you can take something, you can close something, you can catch something. So the present tense, as destin tedigram, I am holding your hand, as destin tedigram. من دستين تا girtin برجمارة چما شبركو دستين تا your hands. تو دكانا خوي دساعت چندان ده دگري. تو دكانا خوي your store دساعت چندان ده دگري. When do you close your store? تا دكانا خوي دساعت چندان ده گرت جبركو object دكان singular. أو درسن كردي دقرا. He or she takes Kurdish lessons. We were درسن كردي Girtin شباركو درسن كردي. أم چنتين خود دقرن we are holding our bags. ما چنتين خود Girtin we hold our bags. درس خلاص. The lesson is over. هون دكارن برتوكين خود بقرن. You can close your books. درس خلاص نبو. The lesson is not over. وچما پرتوكين خود گرتن. Why did you close your books? Police حروش قالك دزان دقرن. Police حروش قالك دزان دقرن. So this is present. Verb is plural. And I know we meant many policemen, right? Police هر تزاندگرن جبركو. In simple form, both police, like both police or like policeman or policemen, plural form, it's both are police in Kurmanji. But in past tense, you know, with transitive verbs, we need to use oblique subjects. In this case, polisan do gellek disgirten. Here, polisan is plural, so yeah, it's plural, and girtin is plural. It's not because of polisan, it's because of gellek dis. Okay, it's very important. So girtin is plural because of gellek dis, not because of polisan. The daste tada chaya, what is in your hand? To chidgri, what are you holding? Tachma daste wegert. Why did you hold her hand? Tachma daste wegert. Okay, wafemker girtin. And the opposite of girtin is vakren. Okay. So dan, it's a very, very useful verb. Dan, it is to give. The present stem is only the past stem is da. So with this verb, I need to explain you something. So this verb, it takes both direct object and indirect object. So for this verb, first you use subject as to am hun el, and then your direct object. Direct object means what you give, your books, your money, whatever you give. And then you use the verb, and then you use indirect object. Indirect object, it means whom you give, where you give. Okay, so if you are saying I am giving to you, it's indirect object. Okay, so this is the proper order for this verb. There are some other verbs also taking both direct and indirect objects. So as Spartakan dedim khwende Karin khwa, as Spartakan homeworks, assignments, dedim give khwende Karin khwa to my students. Damabori min Spartak dan khwende Karin khwa. So here we have a very important rule. So important. So indirect object, how do we write it? Indirect object is always in oblique form in any tense. Okay. So here we have a khwe, that's why it is izafe. But let's have a look at second one. Tuchma shakran didi zaroken mevan. Oh, it's a question mark is here. So tuchma, why do you? Tuchma shakran, sugars, candies. Shakran didi zaroken mevanan. Okay, zaroken mevanan. So I have a zaroken here, it's zafe, and here it's oblique. So why do you give candies, sugars to guests, kids, the kids of guests? Tachma shakirdan zaroken mevanan. If it was just to the guests, mevanan, oblique form. Okay. Aw dile, he or she gives me his or her heart. Dedemen. You see, min is in oblique form. We dile damen gave me his or her heart. Em havine, we in summer, harrosh ave didn't kulilkan. So we give water to the flowers every single day in summer. So kulilkan, it's oblique, it's present. Me havine harrosh av da kulilkan. You see kulilkan in both tenses, it's oblique. Hunchididin, what are you giving? What did you give? أو درسين Kurdi didn't. They are giving Kurdish lessons. One درسين Kurdi done. So done جبركو درسين Kurdi. Here we have another example. Tuchma Slavan nadiwan. So Slav dan, it's to give hi, to greet. Why don't you greet them? So we use Slavan in plural form. So why don't you give them highs? تشمع Slav nedan one. So nedan is plural because Slav is plural, right? Why didn't you greet them? So why didn't you give them highs? Highs. I give you one high, you give me one high. So the last one is man. So man is an intransitive verb. So as in both senses. It means to stay or to remain. The present stem is min. The past stem is ma. As vegave. So vegave, like, yeah, this moment. So these days, so nowadays, these days, at this moment. As l'maleke pchuk deminim. I stay in a small house. So the meaning is I stay, but like living. Okay, so if I say as l'merdina deminim, as l'merdina dijim. Salabori as l'maleke pchuk mam. I stayed in a small house. Tul kudare demini, tul kudare mai. Pishti iro, after today. Jubetlane ya mera se roj demini. So after today, for our vacation, 3 days are remaining. And for the past form, Jubetlane ya mera se rojman. So for our vacation, 3 days remain, 3 days left. Em leheviya tedminen. So they're nice. So when you use leheviya, someone, the meaning, it means to wait for. So em leheviya tedminen, we are waiting for you. Em leheviya taman, we waited for you. Tu umalbata khwa likudare demin. Where do you stay, you and your family? Tu umalbata khwa likudare man. Tu lejam khushka khwa demini. So lejam means next to. If it is a person, lejam, not like table, chair. If it's a person, it means with. Okay. So tu lejam khushka khwa demini. Do you stay with your sister? Tu lejam khushka khwa mai. So salabori. As chum Amerikaye, as lejam braye khomam. I stayed with my brother. I stayed next to my brother, literally. Okay? Wafemker. These verbs are incredibly useful. They are everywhere. So you need to learn how to use them properly. Okay? Wafemker. Van lekaran bash hin baban. Jidil wujan hin baban. U haroj wan bakar binen. U heke hun babinen. مروفن ومالباتا وفان ليكران بكارتينن هنجي بكاربينن اوكي هنجي بكاربينن use them. So قال لك سباس مالا وآفا حتى فيديو يكدن بخاطري و تشاو